Hey everybody, here's a weather update for you. We're recording this on the nighttime of Thursday, May 20th. We're going to go over the dry weather pattern that's settling in now and the warmest weather we've seen so far this year. We'll talk about when that pattern may break down, bringing another chance of rain back to the area. We'll look at the longer term 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day temperatures and precipitation outlooks. And also, I've thrown some random weather questions up on social media randomly this week, and I wanted to go over one of those with you as well. So we're going to start out by talking about the first 20 days of May. At one point, we were 5.5 degrees colder than normal. Now we're only 2.7, so we're chewing away at that, and we're going to see that go away also with the warm weather on the way. So May is still technically below normal, but we've got warm days ahead. Okay, weather quiz. I randomly put these up on my social media pages. I'm easy to find on Facebook or on Twitter. When you go there, give me a follow. You'll be up to date on what's going on. I put a lot of weather information on there as well, not just these weather quizzes, but even on weekends and things like that when there's something going on. So be sure to follow along. Here was the question. How many years since the last EF5 tornado hit anywhere in the United States? 1 year, 5 years, 8 years, or more than 10 years? And here's how the poll went over on the would be what your left-hand side there is the Twitter poll, and it was close. More people thought 5 years than anything else, but 8 years was close. Underneath my little image there under Facebook, for 10 years it was 10%. So hands down, everybody on Facebook pretty much thought it was 8 years. And the answer is actually 8 years. As a matter of fact, it was 8 years ago today as I'm recording this when that actually happened. It was in near Moore, Oklahoma, May 20th of 2013. So exactly 8 years ago today is the last time we had an EF5 tornado hit in our country. That makes 2,922 days. Why is that significant? Because that is a new record. It's the longest we've gone in between F5 or EF5 tornadoes in our country. That many days. We've never gone that long, that stretch of time before, without having an EF5 or back in the day an F5. So a new record, a long stretch without an EF5. That's a record that you like to see because those EF5 tornadoes, of course, can be quite devastating. I got another quiz up on there. Speaking of F5 and EF5 tornadoes, it has to do with the last time a F5 or EF5 tornado hit the state of Indiana. And we'll answer that question coming up on Friday afternoon. Okay, let's talk about the wind. Not a real big issue. We're going to stop this for you on both afternoons. Friday afternoon at 4. South winds 10 to 15, maybe gusts to 20. So breezy, but not terrible. As we get into Saturday afternoon, not quite as much wind, more from the southwest and probably talking into 5 to 10, gusts to 15. So not quite as much wind on Saturday as the high pressure gets a little bit closer to the area. And then late Saturday, we're looking at light winds out of the west. How about Futurecast? We don't see anything. I'm going to let this roll for the next 48 hours as we head through Friday. Partly sunny, warm. Any rain stays west of here. As we head into Saturday, the same thing. We stay dry, partly sunny, very summer-like feel to the air. Going to be warm, going to be humid, but as you can see, no rain through Saturday night. So we're looking dry. So now we're going to show you the long-range models. This is now Sunday's map. Big dome of high pressure, all the way really from about Memphis, Tennessee to the southeast coast, protecting this area. No rain when you have a high pressure overhead. This is Monday. No big change except, see the little front stretching to the north of this area? That might sneak a few showers in, mostly north of here, I think, on Monday. But then that front goes back north on Tuesday as a warm front. So we stay warm, we stay pretty much dry. The best chance of rain looks to come on Wednesday. This is the Wednesday map. Now the high pressure kind of gets suppressed a little bit to the south. Cold front approaches from the north. We have plenty of moisture in the air and heat. So if I had to pick a day, I would say Wednesday looks like our best day for some rain. And then by Thursday, the front kind of pushes south and a new strong high pushes in from the north. Indications are that then would dry things out and cool us off a little bit by the end of next week. Rainfall forecast, we're going to go through these pretty quick. This is 7p Thursday to 7p Friday. Nothing here. 7p Friday, 7p Saturday, nothing. You can see the heavy rains though are in Texas. 7p Saturday, 7p Sunday, nothing. We're dry here. You can see the rain located off to the west. 7p Sunday, 7p Monday. Again, the front to the north, maybe some showers north of here, but I think we're probably dry. Now things start to change. This is 7p Monday to 7p Tuesday. So Monday night into Tuesday. Still probably dry here, but then once you get into 7 p.m. Tuesday to 7 p.m. Wednesday, so from late Tuesday to Wednesday evening, pretty good chance we're going to get back into some rain as that front moves into the area. And then as the front pushes south, this would be Wednesday evening through Thursday. Probably still some showers left over, especially early, but kind of dry now and cooling off a little bit. So really mostly our rain chance is about next late Tuesday through maybe early Thursday, it looks like. So our 7-day forecast looks like this. The heat is on. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, highs approaching 90. Could be a few showers Tuesday late, but mostly we're thinking Wednesday and Thursday would be the rain chances. And then, as you can see, turning a bit cooler next Thursday, but still running above normal. Okay, so this is now the long-range 10-day precipitation total out of the European. You can see we finally get back into the rain, and again, a little rain. This is the longer range here. Also, this is the European. You can kind of see the rainfall totals there. Next up, this is the GFS. It has a little bit more getting in here. So again, if you needed some rain, we still see the chances as we get into the longer range forecast. And I can show you that here. This is the 6 to 10-day outlook on temperature. May 26 to 30, basically the last few days of the month, above normal temperatures, but see this? Back to above normal precip, or at least this is the probability map that we're looking at. Now this is 8 to 14 day. Now this is the end of May into the first 2 or 3 days of June. Again, above normal temperatures and above normal precip. So it looks like when we wrap up May and start June, we will go back into a little bit more of a wet weather pattern in the area, and also temperatures will stay on the warm side. So if you're looking for more rain, we'll have to wait a while, but we think when we get into next week and trailing into the end of the month, the rain chances will come back. But until then, we got some summer heat building. We could be pushing 90 degrees by the end of the upcoming weekend.